this is a slightly different video today, just introducing the partner perks. So you may have seen last year they had a YouTube High Five program where they chose a few creators at random. Quite a lot of them are actually smaller creators, so you don't have to be a big creator to be a part of it. They emailed you to get free perks. So this included YouTube merch, like the really cool neon light that I actually managed to get, and like a Lego style brick kit that made a play button. There was some branded M&Ms, as well as other stuff like discounts on like gaming stuff and software, and then free food from different places, as well as some other stuff. Well, this year it's back, and it's called YouTube Partner Perks this time. You can't sign up for anything, you have to be invited. So YouTube basically sends you an email like this, and then you get, I'm not scrolling down any further because you get a special code that you have to use to sign up. So that's how they know they've invited you and you can sign into it. So I was lucky enough to be a part of this last year. The year before they had one as well, but I missed out on that because I actually didn't realise what it was, didn't know if it was real or not, and by the time I'd actually looked into it and stuff, all the perks had gone. Because I think they'd done like some rainbow YouTube socks and stuff. So the stuff you get each year they do this is different. Like I don't know if I've just been lucky in being chosen a couple of times, or if everyone from last year's being chosen again, or if they're just using different people. I have no idea. So this is the website that you come to when they send you the email, and you just log in. You have to put in your unique code. And then sign in with Google. And then here's some clips from last year's. So a lot of people have been getting their like little perks, making some shorts and stuff, put it on there, tagging YouTube, and you can get a feature on the site as well. So like I say, this one is Partner Perks. It runs for a few months. Each month there'll be a few different rewards out, but this early they haven't actually put out much what they're going to do. So at the moment, the rewards for this month this is for the UK. Other places have slightly different rewards. So £15 voucher to Wagamama, One Republic Lucky. You can go to, I don't even know what One Republic is. I didn't enter this because some of them are competitions, like it's a draw and you can win stuff. Like a VIP night out to watch Colorado's finest legendary at I can't read. And it was a chance to win a VIP night out watching Colorado's finest at the legendary O2 Arena. There, I said it. I don't know what One Republic is. Is it a band? Is it a show? I have no idea. Anyway, and obviously not something I'm interested in. So that's a prize draw one. And another one is attend a special edition to YouTube Town Hall. So it's a virtual town hall thing. So I assume it's some sort of virtual meet-up thing. I know last year and the year before they actually had a physical one. Last year, I can't remember where they went. They went somewhere. I think it was a meet-up somewhere. And they got to do loads of stuff. The year before they actually went to like a YouTube head office or something in London for the meet-up. I'm not sure. But I remember last year I didn't enter that because I'm not good around people. But the £15 Wagamama, I'm definitely going to be taken advantage of. Like I say, the other perks aren't listed yet, because last year they actually had a list of some of the stuff that was going to come out, and the only other thing at the moment I think is going to be a YouTube branded clapper. Like with all the YouTube merch, there's literally a limited amount. Like the lights, I think last year there was only 1,000, so you have to be lucky to get those. So I got the light and the like Lego brick set, so I probably won't be lucky enough to get the clapper as well, but we'll see. Yeah, so these are the offers at the moment, and there'll be more in the future, but like I say, it's very new into this year's program, so I'm not sure what's going to come next, but clearly when new ones come out there'll be shorts and everything showing what's on there, and hopefully I'll pick up my Wagamamas this week. So thanks for YouTube for including me in this again, and I've got to get back to my crafting videos. So thanks for watching, and hope this was informative, to just in case if you got the email saying about this and didn't know quite what it was. Do be wary though, make sure it is actually from YouTube, because I know was it last year or the year before, one of the years after this started, there ended up being like a copycat, somebody trying to scam people into thinking they were signing up for it when they weren't. So just make sure the email is from YouTube. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video. Bye!